Let's talk maintenance today. Why is maintenance important? Let's keep it short and simple. We'll give you 4 key topics. Number 1, doing routine maintenance and the right maintenance to your piece of equipment, in this case a diesel engine, will keep you in compliance with your warranty. Safety. Failure to maintain your piece of equipment will cause a safety infraction by DOT. It could cause a catastrophic engine damage or equipment failure, resulting in a spill or an accident. Number 3, avoiding large costly repairs. Failure to maintain your piece of equipment will result in large repair bills and downtime for your piece of equipment. If it's down, it's not making you any money. The 4th thing is proper maintenance over time is a cost factor. Costing you're able to maintain your piece of equipment and better budget your cost of that piece of equipment. A great place to find factory fluids and factory filters is Diesel Dash. Using Diesel Dash keeps you in compliance, it keeps you safe, it keeps your equipment maintained, and gives you peace of mind.